Hey, Bernardo here. So one of the things that we're going to be bringing forward to the You Expo is the idea of professionalizing the quality of the talks. Again, when it comes down to events, and when we used to run live events, obviously we used to have a production team, we used to have an AV engineer, we used to have a camera operator, and we provided all the necessary tools in order for you to do a presentation. Now, what's happened with virtual events? Well, we're all working from home and we've got a relatively okay camera, if we have one. Maybe we're using the one from our laptop. Maybe we're sitting in our comfy sofa with the background drop of your pants or whatever it may be that you've got hanging from there. Or maybe you've got a cable that's coming across, or maybe you just are using one of those terrible green screens that people use. So look, the bottom line is that we're going to be speaking from home. So if you're going to be speaking from home, up your game. You have to up your game. It's not good enough to sit down and talk to the camera. You're going to have to stand up. You're going to have the right lighting. You're going to have the call to actions with the videos playing instantly the moment you want to speak or you want to talk or you want to promote something. You want to have those things there so when someone's watching your talk, they can see that not only you're talking and saying, hopefully, the right things, but you also have a professional approach where they can watch and interact with you at their convenience. Remember, I also believe that the industry is changing, the world is changing, whereby live events will become on demand, the same as television is. So people might not want to watch your talk live today at 4 p.m. because you told them he has to. They might want to watch it next week, whenever it's convenient for them. So think about that. So we're looking forward to potentially working with you. We're very excited of where we're taking the You Expo, and that content, if you produce a good piece of material, we are going to be putting on the You TV too. So we're very excited about that. We are making sure that the talks are professional. We're making sure that people can watch them on demand, and we're taking them to TV. Do you want to join us? That's my question. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a great day.